the 5 ways in which you can up your immune system against the COVID-19. Namaste everyone, my name is Vasundhara Talware. And just because the lockdown is easing off does not mean that you ignore these 5 things. These 5 things are what will keep you up and you will never go wrong in your life. Number 1, move your body. Keep that body moving. Your hands and your legs are there for you to move, not to sit on. I keep saying this, your legs are meant for you to keep moving. The universe has designed us to move. What do we do instead? We just stay put in one place, get busy with our laptops, with our phones, with our books, or whatever that is we are doing. Sedentary lifestyle, as we all know, right, is the biggest culprit for all the diseases out there. This was not the case before, when people were mobile, they were moving around, they were getting their asses off and getting hardcore work done back in those days. But with the advent of technology, all that has fizzled out, and what we are seeing is a plethora of diseases and a virus like COVID-19 doing what it is doing. So, number 1, move that body. Our body feels elevated. There are happy hormones that get released when you go for a walk or run or do some asana practice. Choose your poison. Choose your happy hormone inducing technique and apply that in your life. The more mobile you keep them, the more agile and youthful you will be. Number 2, eat well. The minute you're going to go back to your lives, get busy with your work, step out, you will again go back to square one. That is, ignore what you eat. Be mindful of what you eat. Eat raw as much as you can. Eat fresh, eat seasonal, eat local, eat lots of fruits. Add lots of colorful vegetables in your palate. And make sure that you have lots of antioxidants in your nourishment. This is such an important factor in keeping you healthy. This is a direct source for you to build your immunity, feel good, and be strong. So make sure you eat well. Number 3, sleep. We have taken our sleep for granted. We think it's always there, right? आज नहीं सोए तो कल सो लेंगे. If we're not sleeping for the entire week, we'll cover up our sleep over the weekend. Isn't that how most people think? And I know most of you think that way. But it doesn't work that way. Your body needs to go in repair. And when does it go in repair? It goes in repair at night. Between 10 and 2. That is 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. is when your body goes in repair. And if you're not sleeping at that time, when else will your body repair itself? Because there are these cycles, there's a circadian rhythm to our body. So no matter how much you sleep during the day, you will never feel that rested. You'll never resolve your body ache problems, your hair fall problems, your skin problem. No matter how much you sleep during the day, you gotta sleep at night. There is a reason why the birds, the animals around us follow the rule of the nature. The nature has made the sun to come up at 6 a.m. or whatever time it comes up in the morning, and it sets at a particular time in the evening. You gotta plan your activities around the sun and not when the sun is set and you then wake up and go against the whole cycle and ruin your health. So 1, sleep is not luxury. Sleep is a necessity. And if you can get 7 to 8 hours of sleep, nothing like it. Of course, if you've been meditating, if you have a very, very healthy lifestyle, if you have very less stressful thoughts during the day, then less amount of sleep to get your body up and running for the next whole day is okay. But if you're someone who's stressed the whole time, who isn't following a very healthy diet or an exercise regime or an asana practice or whatever other practices that are a part of your life, then you got to sleep. You got to rest your body, you got to rest your mind. There is a switch off mode that you need to induce within yourselves compulsorily. So please, 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 please sleep. Number 4. Go out. Of course, during the lockdown, none of us were allowed to go out. Please make sure that you go out in nature. At least if not really out there, you can still sit under the sun from whichever window it comes in through. Sit and soak it in. There are wonders that the sun can do, and make it your daily practice. Corona or no corona, it doesn't matter. Make sure that you get in that sun, which is free for you. It comes out every single day for all of us. It doesn't cost us anything, yet we do not take the benefit of its existence. So let's soak in the sun for at least 30 minutes every single day. And number 5 is decrease your stress. Stress is something that causes anxiety, an imbalance in your thoughts, an imbalance in your whole body. The whole rhythm gets disturbed. And when this is disturbed, any little thing creates a havoc inside of you. You become so fragile that the smallest of small problems becomes huge for you, which should not be the case. So make sure you do not include a lot of stress in your life. There's something called a eustress, which is a positive form of stress, which is like taking up a task and seeing it to its completion, being excited about your project, following your passion, pursuing a hobby, and okay, you're excited about a dance performance that you're supposed to give at the end of the year and you're preparing for it, and that kind of stress is great for you. Everybody has stress. So this is the good stress, but what you got to be aware of is the bad stress. The stress is something that is unnecessary, unwanted, and is creating a lot of imbalance inside of you. So make sure that you are aware of the sources of these stress that are getting created in your life, and you address the core. Hope this video has helped you in some way or the other. These 5 things are mandatory, not just during the corona times, but for the rest of your life, so that you will never fall sick. Please take care of yourself, treat yourselves with lots of love, and stay healthy, stay happy. Keep watching my videos, and if you loved what I have said and shared in this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for further such content. Thank you so much for watching. I love you very, very much. Mwah!